this topsoil that we're saving. What we're gonna do is level this all up, because right now it all slopes down. I don't know if you guys can see that. And they're just building this whole area up. They don't care if it's raining. They're just gonna huddle, keep eating. It's gonna be a mud mess out there now. Oh yeah, she wants to go in.
She needs water or shelter. We should get a video of the lightning. I think people would like that.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Acres of Clay. For those that are new to our channel, I'm Rhonda, and yesterday we got 1 inch and 4/10 of rain, and so today there's not a lot going on. They're not moving dirt, they're not doing any field work. So I was just gonna come out and see what everybody's doing, since I was in the house all by myself and I didn't know where anyone was. So I thought I'd come out and find everybody and show you what's going on, even when we can't be in the fields. Duke does not like me being here. Let's look at the chickens here a second. He's very protective over his girls, aren't ya? Let's see here. There you are. There's some more over here. Not a lot going on in the garden. I've been harvesting a lot of peppers, and I harvested some potatoes. These beans here I'm ready to harvest because they're all dried up now. So if you can see these ones, I'm gonna harvest the beans and save those for seeds. I have some more eggplants growing. You can still see that they're putting out flowers, so I'll probably have a few more of those before the season's done. But The tomatoes are kind of done. I should pick them one more time and make some more something out of them. The parsnips in this one are still growing. These herbs, I should harvest some more and dehydrate more herbs before the frost gets them. And look at that. Look at here. The kittens are playing. They're at such a fun age where they just play. Especially this one. She just loves to play. Now she's not gonna. Oh boy. Ethan and Mackenzie are working at making more grain for the calves. So that's what they're doing right now. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing right now.
Nothing? Helping Dad? What were you doing?
Cleaning the cat barn. It's getting hot.
Yeah, it's nice out.
I'm taller than you.
No, I'm taller. I'm just in my boots. I'm just in a valley.
I'm taller.
No. How come I got to be the short one? And I'm like 5. I'm what? Am I 5'8"?
Yeah, and
5'9"?
you're 5'8" and I'm 5'8" and a half. 5'8" and a quarter.
Yeah. You're grinding grain? Everything going all right?
I guess. I mean,
So it's grain for the calves?
yeah.
Good pigs. You're gonna take it for your pigs?
Yeah. How do we look alike?
I don't know. You look like your dad.
Here's my mom.
I'm the mom, not a sister.
Or a
Twin.
twin.
Oh,
I'm waiting for Ethan. It's hot out.
what's
Wow.
Ethan doing?
He's opening gates.
Yeah, when Sydney feeds, he always needs somebody to open the gates to the other barns to let him go all the way through. And the kids all take turns doing that every single day.
You don't want to.
He's gonna get another load. What?
You have to go out there when you don't want to because he just comes at random times.
Usually while you're doing school.
Yeah.
That's alright, gives you a little bit of break.
Uh-huh. Bye.
What you smell, Chloe? Does the feed smell good? Oh, did you get something? Did you get a pellet? Oh, boy. You want to smell Chloe? Bull, I can be in here. Why you have to be like that? Huh? I should be able to be in here without you making a fuss. So I'm just in here, you know, checking out the girls. This guy behind me, right here, he thinks he owns everything. He thinks he owns it all, and he doesn't like people being around. He's the same one that you saw in another video when we let the cows out in the pasture. He hasn't been out in the pasture since. So, he just doesn't like people. I bet he's gonna find me. Oh, there he is. Always talking, huh? What? Oh, that's nice. What are you doing?
Adjusting the brakes.
Adjusting the brakes?
Yeah. Alright, push them. Again.